Today we will be doing Universal Yum Yum.
Yay! What's the country, Stephanie?
The country is Scandinavia.
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 I swear Daddy was eating these.
Because he was. He already opened it.
So this box comes with some pictures. I'll be reading a little bit of it.
So this is tasty potato sticks, sliced
Onion.
and fried in sunflower oil. No, it's potatoes.
I know. It just looks like onion.
Sour cream and onion.
Okay, I love
That's
this.
a Scandinavian. All right, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Mmm.
That's normal.
Mmm. Those are yummy.
Tasty.
Did you like those, babe, since you already opened them and tried them?
Yeah, I can see that. It was on your desk.
We gotta do thumbs up, thumbs down, or sideways.
It's like normal. It tastes like Pringles sour cream and onion. Yeah,
Those are
except
good.
just sticks.
That one.
Tim's Ostepops. Ooh, that's good.
Here we go. 3, 2, cheers.
I already like some.
3, 2, 1, go.
There's a normal chili pop. I don't want to hold it yet. You know that popcorn from last time?
Oh
Looks
yeah.
like that.
All right, thumb.
I may own it. It's okay.
Good to me.
Come on, you know.
Ah, what is that?
It is Choco Flago. Flagger.
Wow, that's interesting looking. You guys think these are gonna be good?
Yeah. Probably not.
I think they're gonna be good.
One for Daddy.
Oh, that's the whole thing?
Yep.
Wow, so this is how it looks.
That's good.
2,
1.
1.
That's like a chocolate biscuit.
Salty licorice.
Wait, what is it?
Salmiakamata. It's black licorice. I love black licorice.
It's black. Ew.
Here we go.
Wait. Wait.
Mmm. 3, 2, 1,
Wait.
go.
Oh. Ew. Ha.
Mmm. I like it. Mm. Thumbs up or down?
Down, 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 down. All the way to where Earth ends. Down.
Oh.
No. It's a big bubble gum that's smiling while
like a
having a
skull.
creepy eye.
Okay.
It looks like a skull.
Oh, they're cute.
3,
They're like 2,
2, 1.
1.
Oh!
Yum. Mmm. Delicious. Mmm. 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 Thumb up or down?
Both this and this are double up. Chalk Scully. Dun dun dun.
Ooh.
Okay,
2, 1, go. Yum.
Put your leg.
Mmm. That was yummy.
Mmm. Ew. Mmm.
That's good.
It's like frogs and
Bransky wafers.
That was like marshmallow. This is what I love about this. Let's just keep things simple and call them delicious. That's literally all you have to do.
All right, you guys want to get one or?
Get one.
Okay, let's go.
What does it taste like?
Those elephant ears or funnel things that you get at the fair. Mmm.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah.
That was so yummy.
Cream is this. The thing is this.
No, it's this.
Stop.
This.
Tim's American Grill. This.
Oh.
I have to say this. And if you can't read up, it's the D word.
Does that say American Grill? Oh,
Yeah.
they trying to make something after us. American Grill. We'll be totally honest with you. We have no idea why these chips, a hugely popular snack in Norway, are marketed as American Grill flavor.
You thought.
Because they're a combination of onion, tomato, paprika, and chili pepper. Not popular in the U.S. Let's see if we like it.
Now you try it. I didn't eat it yet.
Oh.
No tomato taste.
That's
That's
good.
good.
Mhm.
Of course, doubting on everything.
No, wait. Oh. I go this way.
It's okay.
You didn't even try it.
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah! That's all in it.
All right, thumb. Thumb.
I can't think of what this is. It's weird.
It
Kind of
is.
tastes like caramel. It's yummy, it's okay, and it's gross. So I'm just gonna say this, and this.
All right.
Yeah, sure. Cute. I can't smell it. So cute. How do you?
Oh,
how
no.
is it?
It's more plain on camera than it actually is. Hey,
How?
Okay. Cheers. Very crunchy.
Well, Lou, Lou.
yeah,
Just eat it. They remind me of Pringles.
yeah. Pringles barbecue.
Mm-hmm. Okay, are there 3?
I think so.
I don't, but I can share mine with Stephanie. This is a cookie dough, not cream, candy, chocolate. Ooh, it's melted.
What's inside? What's this inside?
Cookie dough flavored chocolate cream.
Can I have that one?
Mm-hmm.
Hurry up.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ew. Well, it's like cinnamon.
No, thank you. You put the whole thing in your mouth?
I need water.
Ah! It's
Tastes too cinnamony.
yeah. That's 10,000 years old. Ooh, it looks cool.
This is 10,000 years old?
Or more specifically, they discovered an ancient version of gum which was actually burnt birch tree sap. Chewy bubblegum flavored toffee. Way tastier than tree sap, don't you think?
Hey,
3,
so
2,
you
1,
get to
go.
eat the whole thing.
I know.
Oh!
Because it was interesting.
This is good.
Ow! My tooth!
Mm-hmm.
Well, I had a little tooth.
Give it.
It's too sticky.
Mm-hmm.
This ain't gum.
It's pretty good.
I'm not close.
Gingerbread toffee.
Ew.
3, 2, 1, go.
Interesting.
Ow.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Can give you a little tooth.
Interestingly painful.
Okay,
Tastes too ginger.
that is it.
Make sure you never eat the ginger.
Bye.